Good morning, students. This is the first video on our body system of 4th standard. See, what is our body system contains? You know something? Human body is also like a machine. Means hands can be used like pliers, which can lift the things or can put down the things. And a skeletal system is like a guard of the body, means the inner organs of the body will be protected by the skeletal system of the body. And the mind is works like a computer. A mind at a time can do many things. At a time I can explain you, I can write here, I can see the board with my eyes, and I can walk too. So the mind of a human body is a supercomputer. Okay. So in this body, if a person is working, means the coordination in between many systems involves, okay, the association of all the systems inside the body is perfect, then only a man can work in a perfect manner. Now, here different types of systems are here in a human body. Let us see what are they. The first one is muscular system, second one is digestive system, third one is respiratory system, next one is circulatory system, the next one is nervous system, skeletal system, excretory system, integumentary system, and the last and final one is endocrine system. Okay, so these types of systems are there in a human body. The collaboration or association of work in all these 9 types of system, then only a man can do in a perfect manner. So, what are the importances of each and every system? Let us discuss in this chapter. The first one is muscular system. So, muscular system, you know something, it plays a major role in movement of a human body. Of course, muscles will be contained by every creature on this earth. But now we are discussing about a human being, about us. That's why I am telling about you. And these muscles will occur under the skin, and they covers all the body parts. Means they covers the skeletal system. They could cover the bones, joints, etc., etc. So means muscles will be stays below the skin system and above the skeletal system. All the works are happening in our body due to contraction of these muscles. The functions of muscles are, we are moving, means we are moving because the contraction of this muscular system, skeletal muscular system, that's why we are moving. We are maintaining our posture like this. I could stand here, I could sit somewhere, I could sleep somewhere. I am talking with you, I am writing on the blackboard, I will brush my teeth, I will open my eyes, I will close my eyes, I am moving my lips and breathing, inhaling, excreting, whatever the thing. It is because of the collaboration of especially the muscular system. And the next one is digestive system. Why? The digestive system plays a major role in our body. If I wanted to move from here to somewhere, I need some energy. I need some energy. How I could get that energy? You know? So, whatever the food I am taking into my body, that will be digested and then converts into energy packages. which will be absorbed by the blood into the blood. Okay, so that's why a digestive system plays a major role. Digestive system contains a long tube called alimentary canal. Alimentary canal or gastrointestine, which contains a long tube which includes along with the mouth, pharynx, esophagus and then stomach. Okay, long intestine, small intestine, it is up to anus. What are mouth and anus? You know, actually this long intestine, this alimentary canal contains two opens. One is mouth, through which we are taking food into our body, and the second one is anus, through which we are excreting the wastages from our body. Understand? So in this digestion process, there are few steps. First one is chewing. While chewing the food, we will chew the food to break down large pieces of food into very small particles. We will chew this food to make the large pieces of food into small particles, small pieces. Then we will swallow it. While swallowing, it is very simply to looking, just swallowing the food, that's enough. Is it that much of easy? No, never. It involves a major content of muscles. You know something, first of all, when we chew the food, we have to swallow it. By the swallowing process, for the following process, this tongue muscles will throw the food into our pharynx. Okay, then this food will enter to esophagus. Esophagus means the part which occurs from this place to this place. Okay, this is called esophagus, means this place. It could be contraction, it will involve so many muscular bulks and something else. But here in the digestive system, esophagus receives the food from pharynx. So while chewing, some gel-like liquid will released into our mouth all the time. If you observe, just spit like that. What is that? Saliva. So this saliva will be mixed completely along with the food which we have chewed. So this chewed food will be swallowed into esophagus. This esophagus then takes this food to stomach. After when we swallow the food, that food will goes to stomach. Here in this stomach, the food will be stays nearly for 4 hours of time. Nearly for 4 hours of time. In this process, the food first will enters into small intestine. Small intestine will be where? In our stomach only. So it will enters into small intestine. So this small intestine is connected with the liver, pancreas, some endocrinal glands. They will releases some juices which will helps to digest our food. Then here only, in the small intestine only, the food particles which was useful to us will be absorbed by the walls of the small intestine and then will be absorbed into the blood, and then it will be absorbed into the blood, and then the remaining part which was not absorbed by the body will be leads to large intestine. This is completely unuseful matter in our body. That's why through this large intestine, it will be the food which was waste in our body will be excreted through anus. Okay, ma? So this is up to digestive system. today we discussed two of the systems, muscular system and digestive system. Make a sharp note on this and get prepared. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.